Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use multi-flex on your Honor Magic V6. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to open up the settings app. Here we want to go to foldable phones and go to multi-flex. As you guys can see, we want to make sure that we have the quick layout enabled. Now what are we going to do is we're going to click on this button right here, and we can choose the quick layout between 2 or 3 apps. So we're going to choose 3 apps. So Play Store, phone, and messages. As you guys can see, now we want to tap on the app that we want to change. And also you can resize apps. As you guys can see, just like that. You can do the same here. And now this is how it looks like. Here you can also make a horizontal swap. You can do the horizontal split and you can have it like this. So that's how you guys can easily multitask with a PC level on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.